welcome back to my channel. I am Lori Ann Robinson, fashion and beauty consultant, and today's topic is, when do you retire your clothes? Or give them away, or stop wearing them, or whatever you want to call it. When is the time that you need to really take a good hard look at what's in your closet and say, hit the road, Jack, on some of that stuff? Well, I'm going to give you kind of a broad strokes scenario of when to do that. And I have been working with clients and doing closet work for years, over 14 years. So there are different times that you really need to, take a good hard look at that closet and decide whether or not, you're going to keep what's in there, you want to revamp what's in there, you want to retire what's in there, and, just how do you go about doing it? Because it can be rather daunting, I must say that at the least. I periodically do it in my own closet. I probably, maybe twice a year, I start going through things and realizing I'm never going to wear this again. I'm never going to fit into this again. I don't know who I'm trying to kid. And someone else is going to enjoy it, and it's going to look great on them, but it doesn't look great on me anymore, or the style is just way too dated. So that's one of the first things you want to do. You want to look through your closet. You have to sometimes give it a couple going throughs. It's not always the first pass that you make is going to get it all, so you might have to do a couple of different passes through your closet. If you really want to get super, organized about it, take everything out of your closet. That's a big job. And if you have a wardrobe rack, or else you could put it out on the bed and really take a better look at what's going on in there. Because sometimes our lighting in the closets are not really great. So this way you can see it better, and open up all the windows and do it on a bright sunny day, not when it's dreary out, because it's going to make you feel dreary. And start looking at everything and really giving it a good hard look, whether or not it's stained beyond unstainability. Something's just ground in there, like coffee perhaps. That's a tough one to get out if you didn't get it out right away. Those pieces are kind of goners. For men, if you have deodorant stains under your shirts, those awful yellow stains, or even for you gals, what happens is that deodorant reacts to our body chemistries and causes that yellowing with the chemistry between your body heat and temperature and the deodorant. Yeah, the deodorant. And it causes that staining. If that's the case, most likely that stuff is not going to come out. Get rid of it. Anything that is got too many holes in it and they're not supposed to be there, check for those ever-loving moths and hold things up to the light to make sure that nothing has been moth-eaten. And if it has, you need to do some reconnaissance about that with moths that you may have in the closet. You might even have to call in an expert to do some work in there as far as pest control to get rid of the moths. So you want to make sure that things aren't, really ripped, that can't be repaired, holes in the fabric. And then just if it doesn't fit anymore, if it really doesn't fit, get rid of it. It's just a sad reminder. And it's hard to do sometimes, especially if you have a piece that you spent, quite a bit of money on. But if it's never going to fit you again, your weight has shifted, which happens, it doesn't fit with your lifestyle. I have clients that will have tons of suited looks in their closet, but they don't do that anymore. They've become a stay-at-home entrepreneur, and they work out of their homes. They don't need the suits. Are you really going to sit at your computer all day with a suit on? I don't think so. So what do? You give that stuff away. Just don't even clutter your closet with it anymore. So those are kind of the big points that you want to start thinking about when you're getting ready to retire some of the items in your closet. And when I say I like to do this twice a year, I kind of like to do it after the summer, right before fall, And then I do it again around, somewhere in the winter time, right before spring. I'll go through and take a really good hard look, like, okay, what didn't I wear this past fall, winter? What did I think I was going to be able to wear again, and I never did? And it was iffy on the last go around, so you get rid of it. And then that makes things so much nicer, so that when a new season comes around, and you can have more room in your closet, of course, for new items of clothing, or you just let the clothes can breathe a little bit better, and you can see really what you have and perhaps what you really need for that new season. I hope those tips help. I'll be back again very soon, and please put your nice comments down below. Again, I'm Lori Ann Robinson. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.